So,
इंडिया में मैनेजमेंट सब मैनेजमेंट चलता है.
जुगाड़. गवर्नमेंट मतलब बहुत रेड टेपिज्म होने वाला है. So why were they not using it earlier?
पीपल आर नॉट अवेयर ऑन दिस.
बट आप कह रहे हो ना ऑन ऑफ स्विच ही तो है.
आपको पता होना चाहिए आपको क्या नहीं करना है.
So what is the impact that has been created in terms of numbers and how can that impact be measured?
In India, almost 90% startups closed in a years or 2 years.
Yes.
They don't have patience. No water, no life.
Okay.
No blue, no green.
Got it.
So you carry that mindset, and it is very easy.
I am possible. I like it. वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टार्टअप पॉडकास्ट, जहां हम बात करते हैं असली फाउंडर्स की, उनकी रियल स्ट्रगल्स की और उनकी स्टार्टअप जर्नी की जो एक्चुअली उनके हसल के पीछे छुपी है. मैं हूं आपका होस्ट निखिल सूद और हर एपिसोड में आपको मिलेगी एक ऑनेस्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन विद समवन हु इज मेकिंग अ रियल इम्पैक्ट, ताकि अगर आप किसी भी स्टार्टअप को शुरू करने की सोच रहे हैं तो ये पॉडकास्ट आपको देगा क्लैरिटी, इंस्पिरेशन और एक स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन उनकी जर्नी से. This podcast is produced by Pixolux Photography, Pune's top-rated production house. Today, our guest is Dr. Surinder Takavle, Executive Director and co-founder of Blue Zone Ventures, a company on a mission to lead sustainable water and wastewater management in India. Hello, Surinder ji. Welcome to Indian Startup Podcast.
Thank you.
मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, आप अपनी कंपनी के बारे में बताइए, आप अपने बारे में बताइए, क्योंकि आपका प्रोफाइल मैंने देखा लिंक्डइन पे, बहुत ही मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, ब्लू जोन वेंचर्स. टेल अस अबाउट इट.
बेसिकली वी स्टार्टेड 1.5 year बैक. हमने हमारी जर्नी 1.5 साल पहले स्टार्ट कर दी एज अ ब्लू जोन वेंचर्स. वी आर इनटू वाटर एंड वेस्ट वाटर फील्ड एंड मेनली वी आर डील विद द गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटीज where we are managing the water and wastewater for the cities,
Okay.
Which is a need of our looking at the population and those things.
Mm-hmm.
So we are into domain. It is a socio-economical kind of business we are in.
Okay.
So that is our journey, and almost presently we are giving treated water to around 20 million people in India.
Okay.
We are managing few cities in east, west part of India. So we started and we have a great journey looking at the requirement of the human beings.
Mm-hmm.
So we are looking the journey as a exciting journey where we are adding value to the human's life.
Okay.
And when I talk about myself, I am a chemical engineer MBA, and I am Oxford and I am Ahmedabad Alumni. So I always feel learning is a continuing journey,
Yes.
which give a lot of insight to us.
Mm-hmm.
So that is about myself.
Okay. So from what I've understood is कि we can call your startup as an impact first startup.
Yeah.
Okay. Or can we classify it as a startup which is dealing with climate change as well, or only just
It is a both. If you can see, it is
Okay.
a interlink between. all
Okay.
the things.
And as you said that you are primarily working with the government.
Government.
So may I know what kind of projects are happening, where all you are located, and what kind of impact you are creating?
If you can see, we are not into a greenfield project. Okay.
Okay.
If you can see, India almost we are now around 80-year-old country after independent.
Yes.
So all plant built by us, it is more than 50-year-old.
Mm-hmm.
So we are into business where we talk about refurbishment, that is a modification. Modification comes under two factors. One is technological upgradation, and second is capacity enhancement with safe infrastructure.
Okay.
Okay.
This
then
is for the existing
existing
treatment plant.
treatment plants.
Okay.
Because almost 80% plant is more than 50 years old.
Okay.
So they require a massive technological upgradation as well as capacity or as well as technology.
Okay.
Secondly, we talk about the recycle,
Mm-hmm.
where we talk about if you can, as a human, our per capita water consumption in India is 100 to 120 liter, and hardly we drink 3 to 5 liters of water.
Okay.
So there is a scope of 150 liter, 15 liters of water which can be reused,
Okay.
and you can save the fresh water.
Okay.
So we talk about the water conservation here. Then we have for industry we bring first time kind of model where we talk about TOT model, where TOT means transfer, operate, transfer. Where transfer, operate, transfer.
Okay.
Where we talk about you transfer your asset to us.
Okay.
We will modify.
Okay.
We will treat with our technologies, then manpower, chemicals, everything,
Okay.
and you buy from water from us.
Okay.
Okay, because as a manufacturer, water is not my forte.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we are asking, give that forte to us. We will manage efficient way with less cost.
Mm-hmm.
So that first kind of model we brought in this platform, that is TOT model, proper transport.
Okay.
And also we have the specialty chemical business. We manufacture or water treatment kind of chemicals which require to treat the water. So this is a platform we created for the water and wastewater industry.
Okay. And what all cities are you present in?
We are presently operating a whole Ranchi city water supply. Then West Bengal, we are in Kolkata.
Okay.
Then MP, we are treating one town, that is Sagar town.
Okay.
Okay.
Sagar, okay.
Yeah. So these are the major towns we are treating.
Acha.
And there are a lot of chemical customer we have. So
Okay.
we have list of 50 customer we are grab in this last 1.5 years.
When we talk about this problem of water and wastewater management, can you tell us why you got into this and what are the numbers we are looking at? Because before we started this podcast, we were just discussing about the numbers for Pune. So I would like you to highlight that for our viewers कि what are the numbers, कितना liters हम लोग use कर रहे हैं, कितना उसमें से recycle हो रहा है, how much more treatment we need.
If you can see in India में आप देखोगे तो we have almost 145 crore people in
Yes.
India, and around 30% people are not getting the water which is drinkable
Mm-hmm.
because we don't have that kind of infrastructure present in this country.
Mm-hmm.
So as a citizen, I feel shame on us because water is a prime requirement of humans.
Yes.
We can't survive without water.
Mm.
So that's why we are into business. At start, I said it is a socio-economical impact what we are going to create
Correct.
in this country. So that is the objective. And if you can citizen, मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, ये देश किसका है
देश हमारा है,
और बीबी किसकी है?
बीवी अपनी होती है.
वही, that is the problem. When we talk about responsibility, ये देश हमारा है, so it is a collective responsibility, and
Okay.
wife is my individual responsibility.
Okay.
That phenomena is missing in this country's people mindset.
Yes.
So
yes.
if you talk about the GDP, and we always compare ourselves with our neighboring countries like China.
Mm-hmm.
So we feel that kind of, if you want to grow in that manner, and so we don't look for the collective responsibility. We have the individual responsibility.
Correct.
And by this venture, we are trying to take the responsibility on us, and we can add value to this world. That's
Correct.
what we can see.
ये अभी जो आपने बात बोली, आई थिंक वो मुझे रियलाइज़ हो रहा है कि जब मैंने आपसे बोला कि कंट्री हमारी है, तो मैं सिर्फ अपनी होल एंड सोल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं मान रहा. मुझे लग रहा है नहीं, बाकी लोग भी हैं जो देख लेंगे. बट अगर हम उसी को अपनी मेंटालिटी चेंज करके बोलें कि नहीं, कंट्री मेरी है, तो देन आई थिंक आई विल ऑल्सो फील मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल टुवर्ड्स माई ओन कंट्री, विच इज़ आई थिंक the mindset we need to have.
That what I talk about, what value we add into this world.
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. And
Correct.
By this venture, I'm thinking we are adding some value to this mindset.
Okay. You spoke about increasing the capacity of these treatment plants and क्या बोलते हैं, inserting some new technology as well.
Refurbishment we call it. There are two type
Refurbishment.
of thing. One is the technology upgradation, and second is capacity enhancement.
Okay, तो इसमें मतलब थोड़ा सा आप अगर बताएंगे कि क्या मतलब क्या उसमें अपग्रेडेशन रहता है, केमिकल्स चेंज होते हैं, प्रोसेस चेंज होते हैं, क्या क्या उसमें किया जाता है, जस्ट एक सुपरफिशियल लेवल
नहीं,
पे.
टेक्नोलॉजी आप देखेंगे तो every year, because the technology 50 year old. So basically maximum cost is equal to power. Okay. तो now there are technology available, equipment available are power saving. अभी power India में कैसे बनते हैं? It is a coal based. So we are adding pollution. Okay.
Yes,
When we
correct.
generate power from the coal, so
Yes.
we are adding pollution. Okay.
Correct.
So second is cost. That is our country's affordability. So हम लोग अगर power saving equipment डालेंगे, so it will going to benefit two way. One is reduction in cost,
Correct.
and second जो है हमारा pollution control.
Okay.
So that we talk about it. Then the parameters, because government have the pollution control rules. They, for water and wastewater, they always set a norms. There are one is on a national level, one is for state level pollution boards. So they are becoming more stringent on the norms. So you require technology to upgrade to
Correct.
achieve those discharge norms.
Okay.
So we are working on those existing plant with this kind of modifications.
सो अभी जो ऐसे हम कई बार न्यूज़ में भी सुनते हैं कि लेवल्स ऊपर नीचे इतने चले गए. अभी जैसे कुंभ के टाइम पे आई थिंक ये न्यूज़ काफ़ी वायरल हो रही थी दैट द सीवेज लेवल्स, द वाटर लेवल वाज ऑलमोस्ट एज बैड एज सीवेज.
Yes.
तो मतलब
Now you can see the capital of India. You go and see the water, what people getting there.
यमुना में ना, तो यमुना में तो आप क्रॉस करोगे आपको
So all
देख के
industry.
आपको लगेगा यार ये क्या है यार.
So we are all without treatment sewage we are throwing. Then
Okay.
industry also throwing some of the sewage into that.
Okay.
So that creating the pollution and that water we are drinking.
तो इसका कोई चेक नहीं होता जो गवर्नमेंट
वही तो
करती
मैं
है.
बोल रहा हूँ कि infrastructure availability
हाँ,
and second is affordability.
ओके. सो वी डोंट हैव एनीथिंग बोथ.
We have, but
हाँ.
there is a massive gap.
ओके.
Okay. So we have to bridge that gap to make sure we should throw the water or discharge the water which is having the norms given by the government bodies.
ओके. बट अगर वो नहीं मीट कर पा रहा तो अभी जैसे लेट से गवर्नमेंट तो नहीं कर पा रही, बट व्हाट अबाउट इंडस्ट्रीज? तो इंडस्ट्रीज को तो एटलीस्ट उतना करना चाहिए.
But that involves the cost, okay? And we are not serious about it. That is the problem. That's what
Okay.
I'm talking about, the mindset.
हम्म. So-
इंडिया में मैनेजमेंट सब मैनेजमेंट चलता है.
जुगाड़.
So that is the problem.
ओके.
So that is the problem in this country.
हाँ, तो अब लेट से अगर हमें ये चेंज लाना है, मतलब अभी जैसे मैं इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे कोई चेंज ला सकता हूँ क्या, या फिर हमें कलेक्टिवली गवर्नमेंट को किसी तरीके से पुश करना चाहिए? तो
I will give the example of my society. I just 2 years back I become a chairman of society, and there is a compulsion in Pune. If your township, there is a compulsory water and wastewater treatment. That is a water and wastewater treatment. That is a sewage treatment.
ओके.
So my society
STP.
हाँ STP. तो हमारे सोसाइटी में STP है,
ओके.
बट वो ऑपरेट नहीं कर रहे थे लोग. When I become a chairman, because you will find most of the cities having same problem. In this area also corporation issuing the notice to society because people are not understanding. So मैंने क्या किया, वो ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट इक्विपमेंट रेडी कर दिए. फिर देयर इज ओनली ऑन एंड ऑफ बटन एंड देयर इज अ केमिकल सप्लाई. So last 1.5 year we are able to save 25 lakh of rupees, and 100% our society is almost tanker free society now. There is no tanker required.
So that STP is
STP we are treating water using for flushing and gardening.
okay.
So I require only water for drinking.
So why were they not using it earlier?
Because people are not aware on this.
बट आप करें ना, ऑन ऑफ स्विच ही तो है.
लेकिन वो अभी इक्विपमेंट है, 6 साल पुराना प्लांट है, उसको अपकीप करना पड़ता है.
ओके.
You have to monitor the chemical dosage. You have to monitor the outlet.
ओके.
ये लोगों को हेडेक लेना नहीं है ना. So they are saying it is better to go for tankers. Don't run this plant.
ओह, तो टैंकर से तो कॉस्ट भी आप जो बोले 25 लाख
In
का जो
Pune
saving
में
है.
is 1200 to 1400.
हाँ.
आपने last year you seen Bangalore. Bangalore is going to become dry city. People are leaving their homes because there is no water available. This year fortunately monsoon has arrived early, so we have survived. But how many times you are going to survive?
नहीं तो कई बार जैसे हुआ है ना अपना, when the monsoons are delayed तो PMC कट करने लग जाती है.
तो वही है
बिकॉज वाटर इज नॉट अवेलेबल, बोलते हैं हम पीछे रेगुलेशन कर रहे
हम
हैं.
वही बोल रहे हैं ना कि पूना सिटी में यू आर ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 2000 mld वाटर यू आर. So you use that recycle. You recycle and use for construction,
Correct.
gardening,
Correct.
and save the fresh water for drinking.
करेक्ट.
So you can extend your, if monsoon is extended, you can use the water for 2-3 months.
करेक्ट. नहीं, ये मैंने बाहर की कंट्रीज में देखा है. दुबई का तो मुझे स्पेशली याद है कि जितना भी ओपन गार्डन्स वगैरह थे वहाँ पे सब जगह है वो ट्रीटेड वाटर ही यूज हो रहा था.
ना तो वो सीवेज वाटर ट्रीट करके.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
नाउ सिंगापुर में आप देखो वहाँ पे वाटर ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
They call as a new water. So all sewage water they are all using it for last 50 years.
हाँ. So they are not converting any marine water to fresh water, या कर रहे होंगे वो भी?
That is a desalination water.
Desalination, yes.
So
Okay.
desalination में cost is very high. So
Okay.
there is a pipeline. They are bringing water from Malaysia.
Okay.
So India is also, if you can see, there are a few plants we build in desal. Already we are going Chennai. My previous organization we were done one plant for 100 million liter water. Now they are constructing another for plant of 400 mld. Mumbai also people are talking in tendering condition. They are also putting plant of 1000 mld for desalination.
So आप जो MLD बोलते हैं, MLD
A million liter per day.
Okay.
1 million is 10 lakhs. So
Okay, million. Okay,
Multiply by
MLD.
that.
Okay. So as you said that you work with a lot of government agencies, and तो वहाँ पे क्या approach रहता है? How do you make it work with government? Because government मतलब बहुत red tapeism होने वाला है.
नहीं, वहाँ पे कैसा टेंडरिंग बिजनेस होता है.
Okay.
वी टॉक अबाउट टेंडर. So our motto is not only make money. Okay, we never compromise the quality because this water is related to human health and everything. So when we do with government bodies, we are there from inception stage. Okay, we talk about the pre-tendering kind of thing.
Okay.
Where we get involved. We make sure all requirements can be fulfilled. Like it is an old plan. We talk about running plan. So what is the present condition?
Okay.
What to be done? Because it's a long tenure contract. Okay. And a lot of human, because we require a lot of unskilled people also to operate the plant, because we operate plant, pipeline and everything. In Ranchi, we almost around 500 kilometer pipeline operated by us. That is 40-year-old.
Okay.
So you just imagine what kind of infrastructure of a capital, one of the capital of India.
Yeah.
So we actually assess the things, then we suggest to the government body ki what are the costs to be involved. And there are all humans, so we never compromise on statutory compliance. Okay, so that also we make sure that is a part of cost.
Okay.
So that is we call as a pre-tendering activity.
Okay.
So we make sure and we see ki there should be pre-qualifying criteria. Should we set that all standard people come and they bid and they can able to extend the life of the plant and quality. So that kind of ecosystem you can say we can handle.
Okay. But working with government agencies is not difficult.
What is the government?
Any corporation, state government.
But what is government?
People.
लोगों ने लोगों के लिए बनाया हुआ.
Correct.
We are the voter, so I have the right to select you or not.
Yes.
So I am the government.
Okay. By the people, for the people.
Yes.
Okay.
So that way, it is a mindset we created that government is what? Government is, we are the government of this country.
Correct, correct. I would also like to know, जो आप ये काम कर रहे हैं, तो कितना कंपटीशन है आपका मार्केट में जो सिमिलर फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं?
बस कंपटीशन, मैं कंपटीशन किसी को मानता नहीं. I always believe in collaboration.
Okay.
This is a huge country. Okay. There is a source space available. So for me, there is no competition.
Okay.
Because I know, basically, my principle है, मुझे ये पता है मुझे क्या नहीं करना है.
Okay.
When you feel competition, you feel मुझे सब करना है, then start the competition.
Okay.
So my principle very clear, मुझे क्या नहीं करना है वो पता है.
Okay.
इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, हम लोग we are the only company focusing this kind of business in all levels.
Okay.
वहाँ पे local player है. अभी when people talk about the greenfield project, वो plant बनाते हैं, उनको compulsion रहता है 5 साल plant के बाद में छोड़ देते हैं.
अच्छा.
Because it's a headache kind of job. Because if you can see in this ecosystem, there are labor involved, there are union involved, there are engineers, bureaucrats, politicians. If I'm not able to give the treated water at supply on time, there is a newspaper, media. So people are very afraid to handle this ecosystem.
Okay.
But I'm very comfortable in this.
Okay.
So that is our forte, I can say.
तो ये जो आप ग्रीनफील्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स बोल रहे हो, किस टाइप के प्रोजेक्ट्स?
नया बिल्ड, मतलब नया प्लांट. पुणे में अभी नया प्लांट बन रहे 10.
Okay.
So that is a greenfield project. We are constructing a new plant.
Okay.
But we are not in greenfield project.
Okay.
That is not our forte. We don't want to enter in that.
Okay. So you are saying that people operated for a few years?
Because that is compulsion, tender compulsion. You construct the plant, that they call as a DBO, design, build, operate.
Okay.
So design will build it, operate it and hand over to government.
Okay. So जैसे आपने TOT अपना बताया, वो DBO वैसा है.
हाँ.
Okay, design, build and operate. Okay. But later on when the government takes
They
over,
make the tenders then.
फिर वो ऑपरेट करने के लिए वो और टेंडर निकालेंगे.
ऑपरेट करने के लिए.
Okay. अभी since you have an impact for startup, I am sure आपने काफी impact create किया होगा. So what is the impact that has been created in terms of numbers and how can that impact be measured?
Basically, because I told in one first year time we are, if you can see, we are giving the water around 20 million people.
Okay.
Which is a drinkable kind of. So
Okay.
it is a massive. So our approach is in this year and 2025 financial year, we talk about 7 to 8 crore people. Okay. So
That would be 70-80 million.
yeah. So we will be that there is an organization called GWI, global water intelligence.
Okay.
So they give the numbering to the people. We serve that kind of human in the. So we are trying to come in that top 50 in the globe.
Okay.
So that is our target in numbers.
Top 50.
Top 50
Okay.
in first stage, and next 5 years will be top 10 globally.
Okay.
So that is our approach we are talking about.
Okay. So since you're talking about globally, other than India, what all countries or cities you are operating in?
No, we are presently in India.
Okay.
So we don't want to globally because already technology wise and there are, but here India there is a massive gap.
So that ranking that you're talking about, is it based on the number of people? Okay.
Number of population.
Okay. And since we talk about this, you just said about technology. So when we talk about technology, I'm sure chemicals would be available here.
Yeah.
So what about automation? What is the differences between what people are doing abroad and what we are doing here in India?
Basically, we are very cost conscious kind of thing, and affordability also the issue. Okay. So now we are coming with when we talk about AI. AI is going to make a lot of impact in technology front. So also we are trying to adopting all because we are taking all plants online, and we have the war room where our technical team can see what is happening on the plant. What is the chemical consumption, what is the water quality. According to that, they change. So already we are implementing, and one of our platform, this technology upgradation, is also one of our key focus area. Where we talk about, in my previous company, I had done one project, first kind of in Asia, where in Mumbai Municipal Corporation, we have done the automation. From dam to Pan Mumbai, where we put flow meters, and those flow meters are connected to SCADA and all technology kind of thing. And then they are monitoring inflow and outflow, losses, and the zone-wise water supply. So that first kind of project I implemented in Asia in my previous organization. So that is my baby I created, and we done it successfully.
When we talk about startups, I saw in a website that you have a team of people.
Yeah.
I would like to know how important is a team in a startup, and if you can tell कि आपके यहाँ कौन-कौन लोग हैं, क्या-क्या देखते हैं, because I believe you are the executive director and the co-founder.
Basically, Amar, if you can see, my team is following me last 3 organizations.
Okay.
I almost created 3 organizations, and people follow me blindly because we have vision, mission, and everything. So we have a proposal head, we have a marketing head, we have a project head, then other supporting functions like HR, finance, and everything. So basically, when we talk about teamwork, so team is very important. Without team, because we are pan-India operation, and it's a very sensitive kind of thing. So I always believe, if you can see this authority and responsibility goes in hand. When I give responsibility, I give the authority to the person. So that is his job, get it done. If he's not able to, then only, so I hardly get 1 or 2 calls from my team in a day. So that kind of liberty I give. So people follow. And learning is a continuous process. And I always see every person have the positive, negative. I work on person's positive part and supported on his negative part. So that kind of team we built.
मतलब 3 साल से आपके साथ 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स कंपनीज में आपके साथ चले हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली सब फाइन ट्यून हो गए होंगे. Okay, since you also spoke about coming up top in like that rankings we spoke about, so have you created a roadmap?
Yes.
And how important is a roadmap in a startup's success or failure?
I will not call this a startup, because first itself we are 150 crore order booking. So it is a massive numbers we are talking about. And roadmap is very clear. I have 2 plans always. One is annual and one is strategic. So I always see where I'll be after 5 years. So we work upon strategic business plan, and I'm very sure we will top 5 companies in India and globally top 10. So it's very clear, and we have the backup plan. Last 2 organizations where I build in, so I know what is going to happen, what future we have.
But let's say if somebody is starting a new company, and so what all should they consider when they're creating that roadmap?
Basically, I always say, कि आपको पता होना चाहिए आपको क्या नहीं करना है.
ओके. रोड्स यू डोंट हैव टू गो टू. ओके.
लोगों को वही प्रॉब्लम है, उनको
हाँ.
पता नहीं होता क्या नहीं करना है.
ओके.
मुझे सब करना नहीं है. बिकॉज पीपल कम विद मी सेइंग इज 1,000 crore जॉब, यू डू इट. आई सेड नो,
ओके.
because I know what is going to happening with that 1,000 crore job. So that's why people are saying in India almost 90% startups closed in a years or 2 years.
Yes.
They don't have patience.
ओके.
That is the problem.
ओके. सो पेशेंस चाहिए और
Persistence.
परसिस्टेंस, और क्या नहीं करना तो
वो-
एक्सपीरियंस से भी तो आएगा ना, जिसको
नहीं-
एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है.
नहीं एक्सपीरियंस से कुछ नहीं होता है बस.
ओके.
Age is only numbers. Okay.
ओके.
You can see this new startup Zomato. What is the age of that person?
हाँ. ओके.
It is a passion, persistence and clear vision. You should know हमें क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना.
So can I also put it in different words ki instead of generalization you go for something specific.
Yes.
कि specialize करता हूँ मैं, instead of trying to do everything,
Yeah.
let me just focus on certain areas which is जो मेरी strength है.
Yeah.
Okay. तो आई थिंक वहाँ पे आप बोल रहे हो कि काफी स्टार्टअप्स फेल हो जाते हैं बिकॉज दे आर ट्राइंग टू डू एवरीथिंग.
And they want to become successful overnight.
दैट इज आई थिंक की टेक अवे
Yeah.
कि लोगों को ओवरनाइट सक्सेस चाहिए बिकॉज आई थिंक एज यू सेड कि पेशेंस चाहिए आपको.
Yeah.
एक स्टार्टअप है तो उसको टाइम
Time
लगेगा
लगेगा.
ग्रो होने में, बिल्ड होने में, ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द राइट पाथ एंड किस पाथ पे नहीं जाना है वो समझने में.
और you have to lead from front.
यस.
कि अगर why I always say मैं बॉस किसको मानता हूँ, जो काम मैं नहीं करता वो करेगा. Whether he is my subordinate, he is my boss. By ranking or designation, nobody's boss. When I respect you, when you will do the thing which I am not able to do it.
यस. एक और चीज़ मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, आप इस स्पेस में एंटर होने का आपका मेन रीज़न क्या था?
No, मैंने बोलो I started as a training engineer one of the MNC, and fortunately I into the water, and this I found it is socio-economic impact what we are creating. So that become a jargon for me.
ओके.
So if you can see our mission statement tagline is no water, no life, no blue, no green.
नो.
No water, no life,
Okay.
no blue, no green.
गॉट इट. ओके.
So that we talk about it. So that is the main
So basically you wanted to create a social impact.
social impact.
Okay. I would like to ask you, आपके अभी तक जो last couple of years जो आपकी कंपनी में रहे हैं, तो what has been the turning point where you feel कि major change आया है in terms of business या in terms of impact that you have created?
बस मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ ड्रीम ऐसे देखो, यू नॉट एबल टू स्लीप. तो जब मैं नंबर बोलता हूँ तो लोग हंसते हैं कि हमने बोला कि हम पहले साल में 10 लोग आए, 100 करोड़ करेंगे, सब लोग हंसते थे. बट आफ्टर 1 year दे सीन.
Okay.
ऐसा ड्रीम देखो कि यू नॉट एबल अलाउ यू टू स्लीप. सो दैट इज माई ड्रीम. एंड नथिंग एज डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम ऑलवेज से, इम्पॉसिबल. द वर्ड इटसेल्फ आई एम पॉसिबल. यहाँ पे दुनिया में एक ही चीज नहीं होती है, मरा हुआ आदमी जिंदा नहीं होता.
सही बात है.
So you carry that mindset and it is very easy.
I am possible. I like it. That's
So,
nice.
So always think about it, and
हाँ.
when people taste the success is the main thing and they start believing.
आप जैसा बोल रहे हो तो आई वुड लाइक टू नो व्हाट कीप्स यू मोटिवेटेड व्हेन यू आर डूइंग ऑल दिस. व्हाट कीप्स यू मोटिवेटेड?
बस
क्योंकि देखो इम्पैक्ट फर्स्ट है, तो आप वी हैव नॉट स्पोकन अबाउट योर नंबर्स एंड ऑल, बट आई एम श्योर प्रॉफिटेबल भी आप हैं. बट हमेशा एक बिजनेस में पर्सपेक्टिव क्या होता है, आदमी सोचता है मुझे पहले सबसे पहले प्रॉफिट जनरेट करना है, बट दिस एन इम्पैक्ट फर्स्ट. तो आई एम श्योर आपको कोई एक मोटिवेशन हमेशा रहता होगा कि दैट कीप्स यू गोइंग ऑल द टाइम.
बस दुनिया में 800 करोड़ लोग हैं, उसमें इंडिया कंट्री है, उसमें 145 करोड़ लोग हैं, उसमें महाराष्ट्र एक स्टेट है, उसमें पुणे एक सिटी है,
हाँ.
उसमें मैं एक आदमी हूँ. So that is my existence, right?
यस.
But what add if I'm going to add the value? How this generation will remember you?
ओके.
What legacy is going to keep behind?
ओके.
So that legacy is always motivating me.
ओके.
My granddaughter or son should remember, मेरे दादाजी ऐसे थे.
ऑसम.
So that is always drive me कि what impact I'm going to do on this field or this environment
Perfect.
and this world when I'm not there.
नहीं, मैं आपकी बात से बिल्कुल एको कर सकता हूँ, बिकॉज जैसे मैंने आपको बताया मेरा एक अकाउंट है मोटरसाइकिल ट्रेल्स, वहाँ पे मैं सेफ राइडिंग टिप्स, सेफ राइडिंग टेक्निक्स मैं वो बोलता हूँ, और मेरा भी उसमें आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ इट, बट मुझे हमेशा क्या रहता है कि इवन इफ 1% ऑफ माई फॉलोअर्स बिकम अ बेटर एंड अ सेफर राइडर, मैंने वो इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट किया, मैंने लोगों को सेव किया इन एन इनडायरेक्ट वे, एंड पीपल मे बी विल रिमेंबर मी व्हेन आई एम नॉट देयर, कि यहाँ पे इस
Yeah.
इंसान ने ये इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट किया ना, आई एम अ सेफर राइडर बिकॉज ऑफ हिम.
पर मेरा एक हमेशा स्लोगन रहता है, हाई रिस्क हाई गेन, लो रिस्क नो गेन. टेक हाई रिस्क, बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. लेकिन अभी इफ यू कैन सी द पीपल माइंडसेट, I always tell people there are 95% people are 2 punch and 1 lunch.
इसको थोड़ा बताइए.
मैं ऑफिस में आता हूँ 9 बजे पंच करता हूँ,
हाँ,
6 बजे करता हूँ, वापस पंच करता हूँ,
हाँ.
घर चला जाता हूँ.
ओके.
2 पंच,
Two punch.
1 बजे लंच लेता
1 बजे लंच. ओके.
हूँ. They don't create any difference. बाकी
हाँ.
dotted lines है.
हाँ.
Somebody else will fail.
ओके.
So I never work as a employee in my career also. I always own it. If you own it, you will learn a lot of things.
ओके.
But 95% is 2 punch 1 lunch. That's it. In between dotted lines, आप उसमें डालो, जो चाहेगा बॉस डाल देगा.
ओके. हाँ, तो वही हो गया ना, जब आप ओनर हैं, that you have that ownership, you have that
Not only that's why I said
responsibility.
as an employee also you lot of things you can own it, okay?
Yeah.
Because that is learning for you. वही तो मैं समझाता हूँ.
हाँ.
मैं ओनर बन के जो मैंने आज बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं पहले वो एम्प्लॉय था. तो एम्प्लॉय में मैंने क्या सीखा है, ये जो मैं ओनर बन के कर सकता था.
करेक्ट.
Because I own it,
Yes.
so I learn it, and that learning I am implementing now.
तो आई थिंक जो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं उनको भी आई थिंक एक लर्निंग के पर्सपेक्टिव से अगर वो
Yes.
चलेंगे, सो दे विल ऑल्सो बी, आई थिंक बेटर एम्प्लॉयज़, दे विल ऑल्सो परफॉर्म बेटर इन देयर जॉब्स
Yeah.
एज वेल. ओके. अभी आपका आज तक का सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या आपने फेस किया, एंड हाउ डिड यू ओवरकम दैट?
Basically, around 8 years back, मैंने जर्नी की एज ए एंटरप्रेन्योर, एज ए कोलैबोरेटिव जर्नी काइंड ऑफ थिंग, वेयर आई एम होल्डिंग अ माइनर स्टेक. एंड जब हमारा कमिटमेंट था कि मेरी टीम पूरी आई थी, एंड देयर इज अ सैलरी कंस्ट्रेंट सडनली हैपेंड, सो वी सफर्ड 1.5 year in that time.
ओके.
But what your team has there, I personally financially help them to make intact and we overcome. That is the biggest struggle I seen that
Okay.
time at 1.5 years.
So was it because of lack of funding?
Lack of funds, because there is some investor, he is not able to give the funds, but
Okay.
we able to stretch, and we have the business model where cash flow is always maintained because we into service kind of thing. So that was a hurdle I seen, and that is a learning which I implemented in next business model where I make sure funding should be proper and time.
Okay, and when I was seeing your profile, there was an interesting term, NGpreneur. So I would like to know more about it.
I written a book, so it is going to publish in another few days time.
Okay.
So it is journey from engineer to entrepreneur.
So the name of the book is?
Engipreneur.
Okay, the same. Okay, great.
So it is a journey of engineer to entrepreneur, where I share my learnings, what I learned, and every person can become an entrepreneur. Size can be different,
Correct.
but you can become an entrepreneur.
Okay.
So that is a journey I written out, and it is going to publish in another 3 weeks time.
Okay. Great. And where all will it be available?
It is a Stardom publication is publishing it. It's
Okay.
offline also and online, Amazon, Flipkart,
Okay.
everywhere you can buy online.
Okay.
And that whatever royalty will come, it will go for charity.
Oh wow, awesome. And I would like to know more about people who are in this space or who want to get into startups where the impact, it's an impact first startup. So how should they be approaching? Let's say I want to build a impact first startup. So what should be my approach?
Basically, boss, you should be very clear why you are there, why you want to enter there. So what is your existence?
Yes.
What impact it is going to create? How long it will take? What sources you require? And what is the outcome finally?
Okay. So is there any incubator or accelerator who is specially focusing on impact first startups?
Yeah, there are many. You can say now, Now, if you can see next 100 year for ABCD.
Mm-hmm.
A is artificial intelligence, B is biotechnology, C is crypto.
So B is?
B is biotechnology,
Okay.
C is crypto,
Okay.
D is drone,
Okay.
and E is electrical mobility.
Okay.
So these are the impactful ABCD.
Okay. So these are the
So
core areas.
anybody
which
want to enter
Huh.
and get this kind of thing, you should focus on these 5.
Okay. Okay.
And most of the things are impactful on environment.
Okay.
Because after 10 years, it is a human survival phase is going to come.
Hmm.
Looking at, you
The
can
way
see
we
the
are going.
environmental impact.
Yes. Yes. The way we are going right now. Okay. So any incubators you would like to tell the audience where they should be approaching, where they can get some help in this field?
Basically, you have the strong ideas. That is most important.
Okay.
तो idea अगर आपके पास है,
Hmm.
तो you get support.
Okay.
There are people who are ready to invest.
Okay. So how do you find such investors?
Because if you can see in our water segment, my journey is always from scratch, 0 to 1.
Hmm.
Most difficult journey of life is 0 to 1.
Okay.
That is 100%.
Hmm.
1 to 2 is 50%, right? So that once you create, and when we talk about, I always talk about a relationship. This world is only run on relationship management.
Hmm.
So what is a relationship?
It's an interaction between individuals.
No. A relationship, when both the parties have the win-win situation,
Okay.
then only relationship happen.
Okay.
That's why we always call as a relationship management.
Okay.
So I always see what you need. I never see what I am having and I want to sell you.
Okay.
So creating need is the most impactful thing in our life.
Creating need or catering to someone's need.
Catering, not catering, creating need. If
Okay.
if I said, I have what differentiation I'm to make it. People always go and sell their product and tell this. They never ask what you want.
Okay.
So we create the thing what you need. That's why we talk about what I said, pre-tendering activity. When government also we do it.
Okay.
That we understand what actually they need.
Hmm. Okay.
Then only we can make the impact.
First question should be, what do you need, and how can I
Not
cater to
question,
that?
understand it.
Okay. Okay.
So that is a relationship management.
Mhm.
And it should be win-win situation for both the parties.
Hmm.
And then only relationship will continuous.
Hmm. Since आपने ideas के बारे में बोला, what I feel is there are many people who can come up with an idea, but somewhere down the line वो planning से execution में it fizzles out.
That's why I say, no, everybody looking for overnight success.
Okay.
They don't have the patience.
Okay.
So that's why I said patience and persistence. What is persistence?
लगे रहो.
लगे रहो. आप देखो एक रॉक होता है, पानी गिरता रहता है.
हाँ.
रॉक टूटता है लेकिन 10 साल लगते हैं.
हाँ.
That is the persistence. So people are not persistent.
Correct.
उनको ओवरनाइट चाहिए सब.
तो
अभी
overnight.
जैन जी,
हाँ.
जैन भेड़ क्या आ रहा है. So that is the problem with this ecosystem.
तो डू यू ऑल्सो फील, जैसे आपने जेनजी बोला अभी, कि आजकल लोगों को कूल बनना है, तो दे वांट टू बी कॉल्ड एज फाउंडर्स एंड हम स्टार्टअप कर रहे हैं, तो इसलिए वो जल्दी घुस जाते हैं स्टार्टअप्स में, या दे वांट टू क्रिएट समथिंग विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द
Without
इकोसिस्टम.
understanding the things, okay. अभी बस पूरी दुनिया ये रील पे चल रही है.
करेक्ट.
सोशल मीडिया.
करेक्ट.
If you can see, I have 1,000 Facebook friends. But when I need, nobody will come. I will put on social media, I want blood. Come and donate. Whereas there are those 1,000 followers. So I call it as a paradise, and that to be foolish paradise, where we created something in our mind. We have so many 1,000 followers with me.
यस. ओके. नहीं, क्योंकि आजकल मुझे भी लगता है कि हर एक को स्टार्टअप फाउंडर बनना है, हम कुछ कर रहे हैं, मतलब ऑन पेपर ही कर रहे होते, बट दे फील गुड अबाउट इट.
But at least you should have some experience.
हाँ.
Because हमने पहले experience लिया.
करेक्ट.
हमने वहाँ से सीखा है something.
हाँ.
So those things we are implementing. So that's why we success rate is high.
ओके.
That's why I say,
जैसे आप जो बातें कर रहे हैं वो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड फील दैट एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट.
and learning is a contest brother. मैंने engineering किया, then I become a GAT in multinational, then I done my MBA, then I done post graduation, I done my PhD, then I done IIM Ahmedabad, then I done Oxford.
ओके.
Why? Because learning is a continuous process. मेरे को हर जगह से कुछ सीखना मिला.
Correct.
आज लोग क्या एक बार हो गए ग्रेजुएट MBA हो गया
नौकरी
खत्म.
करो और चलो.
बट when वो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, आप जो 5 लोगों के साथ रहते हैं 6 person we will be there. If we will sit with 5 idiots, we will 6 idiots.
Okay.
So when I sit and I'm Ahmedabad Salgar,
Hmm.
so I feel I'm nothing. If you can see their thinking level, then I go to Oxford. Oxford, they have something different.
Hmm. Okay.
20 years back, Oxford has the research on AI,
Oh.
where
Wow.
people doesn't know AI word.
AI तो लोगों को पता भी नहीं था.
So that's why
Except
they
for
will
movies
think
maybe.
what is going to happen 50 years.
Yes.
So as an entrepreneur, I should not look today. I should look what is going to happen after 15 years, 20 years.
Correct.
So I should be ready today.
Hmm.
So this learning always give impactful thing, and people are not ready to learning. Today we see the pointers. Everybody is above 9. You take interview, you will not understand, doesn't know ABC.
So education and learning, whether I think people are focusing on only for jobs,
Yes.
not for learning purposes.
purpose.
That is where the
So
problem
basics should be, and in our generation, our basics are very clear.
is.
We not study for marks, we study for understanding.
Yes. हाँ, आई थिंक वो कोर एक है, मतलब कि अगर आप इफ यू आर लर्निंग एंड स्टडिंग फॉर लर्निंग कि मुझे सीखना है, फॉरगेट अबाउट द मार्क्स,
Yeah,
देन यू विल ऑलवेज.
it will follow. That's why I said ना.
Correct.
अभी
तो ये तो पेशेंस वाले गेम हो गया जैसे आप बता रहे हैं. इट्स
तो
दैट पेशेंस.
मैं हमेशा लोगों को बोलता हूँ, बस if you are employee, if you can see, I get average India 10% rise in salary hike, okay? उसमें 30% मेरा इनकम टैक्स कट गया, GST 18% है. हाँ, ठीक है, कितने हो गए? 3 + 4.8 हो गए.
हाँ.
ठीक है, हाँ. और if you can see my EMI's interest rate, you can see actually I never grow. So what impact you are going to make your own life? India, if you can see iPhone, 95% people buying iPhone on EMIs.
Correct.
Is it worth?
Not really.
Now why iPhone is coming with new model every year? You have any idea? Why?
They have to keep on like selling.
Then what? Why are they coming with every 10 months there is a new iPhone?
There's a new iPhone.
Why?
I think कुछ नया नया दिखता है लोगों को, then people keep on buying.
No. 70% people are the existing buyers.
Okay.
They
Yeah,
change because their target audience is fixed 70%.
Okay.
They don't need new customers. I only changing every year.
You keep on upgrading. पुराने वाले को slow करते जाओ, नया वाला.
नहीं, स्लो कुछ नहीं करते, वो सेम रखते हैं.
हाँ.
Only they change. 70% buyers are same people.
हाँ.
So I don't need new customers. My sale is increasing.
Customer base
That's
fix हो
why
गया.
if you can see their company size in India, GDP same.
Yes.
One Apple and Microsoft is GDP of this country. 2 companies, huh?
कौन सी?
Microsoft and Apple.
अच्छा, it is equal to India.
India GDP, you just go and check.
Okay.
They are $42 trillion economy. We are $4 trillion economy.
ये वो तो डिफरेंस तो बहुत है. There's a
difference
lot of
मतलब
catching
हम-
up to do.
अरे बस we are the buyers. हमें वो उसका आईफोन लेके उसको दे रहे रेवेन्यू. वो देखो ना आप. And 92% people, मेरा ऑफिस में उसको 15,000 सैलरी, उसके पास आईफोन है.
वो आई थिंक वो एक
मतलब उसका 1 साल का सैलरी है.
वो एक ऐसा सिस्टम क्रिएट हो गया जहाँ पे इट इज अ मस्ट हैव.
Yes.
उसके बिना काम ही
That's
नहीं
why
होगा.
Gen Z, वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ना, माइंडसेट.
सिंस आप इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और हम वाटर वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट वगैरह की बात करें, सो व्हाट इज वन एडवाइस यू वुड लाइक टू गिव टू पीपल सो दैट दे कैन कंजर्व वाटर और हाउ दे कैन कंजर्व द एनवायरनमेंट?
As I said, we see the transition of water we have seen from a dam, from river to dam, dam to tap, tap to bottle. Now next is capsule.
Okay. It will be that scarce that it will be sold in capsules.
Yes. So that time is not far if you not save the water. So vital, the water is very vital. This source of this universe, and at any cost. So we always call water as an element. So we have to save it like gold.
Okay.
We can survive without gold, but we can't survive with water.
So World War III would be based on water.
Yeah. Now Pakistan, what we said, we stopped
we
the water.
stopped the water. Yes, Sindhu Water Treaty. Yes.
But to make the dam, we require 40 years. to stop the hurt.
Yes.
So we have to wait for another 40 years.
I think हमारी वही strategy है, अपने पास थोड़ा पानी रख लो. So we'll start with a rapid fire.
Yeah.
Basically, in this rapid fire round, whatever comes first to your mind, short replies would be awesome. Faster and short would be awesome. 3 tools or apps you cannot live without.
So, book,
Okay.
then laptop, and mobile.
Okay. So just to stay connected with
Yes,
people.
connect, because we are into service kind of business.
Okay. First thing you do or first app you see on your phone when you wake up?
Basically, I see WhatsApp, because we have a lot of business groups and a lot of we are into 24/7 kind of service. So a lot of group message come which running the sites.
One thing you would tell your younger self?
Dream big and consistent.
One founder you look up to?
Elon Musk.
Primarily because of engineering background?
No, he's not engineer. His 12th fail.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I thought he was an engineer.
No, he only sell idea. He said, I want to go to space. Now it's your job. How to get it?
Okay.
I will take risk. I will put my money.
So
Idea is yours.
he also dreams big.
Yeah.
That is nice. What is your startup's mission in one line?
No water, no life.
Which is one thing you would tell the founders, one message that you would like to give the founders?
When there is an idea should convert to the business plan. That business plan should be financially, should be stable, collaborate, consistent, persistent. Success will be yours.
Okay. Awesome. It was great talking to you, Sinderji, and I think we got a lot of takeaways from this conversation. And persistence तो मैं समझ गया वो चाहिए. And आपने जो एक बात बोली मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, dream big. And one more thing, that country अपनी समझ के चलोगे, not collectively but अपनी सोचोगे, तो I think we all can create an impact which will help all of us and our future generations, right?
Yeah.
So
Thanks,
thank you
Nikhil.
so much. Thank you for
Thanks
giving your
for
time.
calling me and giving a chance to throw some light on environmental impact.
Sure, and
Looking
I would love
forward.
to read your book once it comes out.
Thanks.
Eagerly waiting for it. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
Thank you.